Okay, a few possible scenarios. You're either a parent that needs to block access to some websites from your children, or you're possibly a small business owner that needs to block access to social media accounts or even YouTube to your employees. Maybe you even run an internet cafe. You don't want people to visit certain websites. Internet cafe? Do they still even exist? Oh, I remember those days. But anyway, today I want to show you how you can easily block websites with a very small and simple application that doesn't even require installation and can be run straight from a USB stick such as this. The good thing about this is that you can unplug it from the computer and take it with you so those modifications can't be changed. Let's get started. Okay, so the first step is to plug in my trusty old USB drive into the computer and then launch File Explorer to find my software. If the File Explorer window doesn't open automatically, you can simply just go to this PC on the left hand side and then go over to the right hand side and click on USB drive or whatever the name of the USB stick is. The application that I've got in my USB drive is simply called URL Blocker, and I'm going to show you where to download it later for free. But for now, let's open it and see how it works. The interface is pretty simple, as you can see. All you have to do is in the bottom pane, just punch in the website name that you want to block. In my situation, we're going to be blocking youtube.com as an example, and then click Add. Before I hit that apply button, however, let's open up an internet browser and see if YouTube actually works. As you can see, I've got absolutely no problem opening my very own YouTube page. And while you're here, why not hit that subscribe button for me if you can? It helps me get motivated to do more videos like this in the future. But for now, let's get back into business and go back to the app. While we're here and I'm in a bit of a blocking mood, why not add facebook.com into the mix? The boxes on the left hand side don't necessarily need to be ticked. They only need to get ticked if you want to delete a particular website from the list. So you can leave those empty and still go ahead and hit apply for the process to work. At this stage, a prompt will alert you that you'll need to log off the computer for the changes to take effect. All you have to do is hit OK, and then you'll be signed out where you can sign back in again. My recording software will temporarily disconnect at this stage, but I will start re-recording after I log back on. At this stage, you can unplug your USB drive from the computer and take it away with you. Okay, now that I'm logged back on, let's open up an internet browser and see if we can actually get back into YouTube. Can't reach this page. That's interesting. Let's try Facebook. Ah, look at that. Even that's not working. Maybe the internet's down. But how about checking eBay? Maybe that'll work. Oh, look at that. eBay actually works. Maybe Facebook and YouTube are just down? Even Google seems to be working just fine, but still no YouTube. If at any stage you want to unblock the websites, simply plug the USB stick back in, open up the program, tick the boxes where the websites are listed, or simply select all to get rid of all of them, and then hit delete. At that stage, you simply click apply and then log off the computer again to get everything back to normal again. Okay, so where do you get URL Blocker from? Well, the website in question is called wintools.info. Simply punch it into your browser and then scroll down the page, and under System Utilities, the second one on the list is URL Blocker. Once the URL Blocker page has been opened, you can have a quick read through it if you like, but I'm just going to scroll down and hit that download button. Once it's downloaded, you can simply find it in your downloads folder or the location of your choice. Right click on it, select cut, open up your USB drive, select paste, and that's all there is to it. And from here on in, you can simply double click on the icon, add any website you wish to block, select apply, make sure you sign out and sign back in again, and that website will be blocked. I want to thank you for watching. This is Anthony. You're watching Alternative Tech Reports. Till next time.